Hello guys, no? So magandang araw sa inyo lahat. At kamusta na po tayo, no? Sana ay nasa mga mabuti ho tayo mga kalagayan guys, ha? Yan, so guys, this is Laking Davao once again. And everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. Ayan guys, no? So magandang araw sa inyo. Ayan. So guys, we are here along this CP Garcia Highway, no? Ito. Dito tayo mismo. At dito tayo sa harap nitong LPU Township. So this time around guys, kung naalala ninyo, yung karaang araw ay tayo ay nag-update, no, sa southern side of Davao City about its progression, no, or the ongoing developments in the southern side of Davao City, particularly sa Matina area, no. So this time around guys, ang gagawin naman natin, we will be updating the developments, no, these multiple townships that are rising here in the northern side of Davao naman, no. Actually, tatlo na tong rising today, no, yung ongoing na ginagawa. At yung isa na pupuntahan natin ay yung soon, no, na anytime this year it will be start to construct, no. Ayan. So first stop natin guys is here, no. Dito tayo sa may along the CP Garcia Highway, which is very really near at the Davao International Airport, no, just a few meters from here. Ayan. So this township guys is developed again by the Cebulan Masters, no. This is one, no, so kung sa south si Cebulan Masters ay merong dine-develop na township na Davao Global Township. Dito naman sa north meron din siyang tinatayong township, which is this LPU Township, and it is the first of its kind in Visayas and in Mindanao, no. This is a university township guys, no. Yan. So ito yung kauna-unahang university township dito sa Visayas at Mindanao na ginagawa ng Cebulan Masters. Okay, so we're going to update here, no, and then the other two townships that are being right now na ongoing, at yung isang township na gagawin. Okay, so let's go guys. So mauuna tayo, actually dito yung isa sa entrance, pero ang gagawin ko ngayon guys, dito tayo magsisimula, no, sa isang entrance nila ng LPU, no. Kung tawagin nilang LPU Drive, doon tayo magsisimula, iikot tayo doon, papasok hanggang yon, and then dito tayo lalabas. Okay, so let's go guys. So nandito na tayo guys, no, sa LPU the Lyceum Way, no. Ayan. So ito yung kanilang office ng Cebulan Masters, which is temporarily office muna nila at saka showroom, no, for this project here, no. Diyan mo makikita yung mga scale, model, and the whole master plan of this township here, no. This township has 18 hectares, no, of total land area, no. So yung unang ginawa dito guys, of course, since this is a university township, so yung unang ginawa nila dito guys, ang project around 2017 I think, no, itinayo yung itong Lyceum of the Philippines University, no? Actually yung nakikita natin ngayon, that will be the phase 1 pa lang, no. Meron pa yung phase 2 na gagawin, another dalawa pang ganito, no, sa left and right, and then one in the center, no, which is ang kanyang kalalabasan, yung kanyang pinaka full project perspective design is this one. Yan siya guys, no. So yan yung kanyang perspective, yes, but once this LPU will be finished, no. Ayan, so ito naman yung nakikita nating building dito guys. This is the Casa Mira Towers, no. It is 2 towers, no, residential, no, and it's a mixed use building actually, no. Ayan, so meron yung mga commercial strips and spaces dyan sa baba na itatayo, no. It is a 15-story building, no. Ayan, so yan yung second na tinrabaho dito right after that LPU, no, yung kanilang Casa Mira Towers. Ayan, so dito naman kung mapapansin niyo, meron nang nakapako dito. This will be the next project here, no. It is a residential building pa rin. It has 2 towers, no, and it will be called as the Mindara Residence, no. Ayan, so meron tong South Tower and North Tower guys, no. Ang total level of floors nito guys will be the same, no. I think dyan sa Casa Mira, no, is 15-story building also, no. Yun yung kanilang inano dito guys, no. So last year guys, ni-launch na to ng Cebulan Masters here in Davao, at na to, no, kasabay halos nung sa East Village, no, yung Tower 5 and 6, no, which is ngayon parang kino-construct na rin yung Tower 5 and 6 ng East Village, no. Dito naman anytime this year din, ito yung timeline kasi nila, around 2024 yung start of construction. And actually guys, this Mindara Residence is already sold out, no. Ayan, so ganun actually guys, this Cebulan Masters guys, meron na naman silang ginawang record breaking here in Davao City, no. Kung natatandaan ninyo, way I think around 2022 or 2021, no, for sure parang 2022, no. Yung nilaunch nila yung East Village guys, within 3 days na sold out yung Tower 1, 2, 3 at saka 4, yun, no, yung 4 towers guys, no, within 3 days. Ito naman basta I think is just 2 weeks ago, meron na naman silang nilaunch itong another project of this Cebulan Masters here, and it was sold out in just 2 days, no, ganun. So ganun, kaya sa mga nagtatanong talaga guys, bakit lagi ang mga halos ang mga tinatayo sa Davao puro residential building, no, or mga residential condominiums, no, or yun talaga kasi yung in demand dito ngayon, no. Yun yung parang yung hot selling, no. Yun so kaya yun ang itinatayo, no. Yun ang mga halos mostly all the projects here in Davao City. So yun, no. So ito yung abang-abangan din anytime this year that they will construct this Mindara Residence already. Actually meron na ngang mga pailang-ilang mga gamit, equipments inside, no. So ngayon iikot tayo dito para makarating tayo doon mismo sa may Casa Mira mismo, no. So let's go guys. Ito, no. So ito yung Lyceum Way. So actually guys, no, yung whole project nito will be looking like that, no. There will be some multiple of residential buildings, no, and then doon banda sa may outer side, no, yan siya, yung may arrow, will be a convention hall, and then there will be a hotel, no, and then town street, din, no, parang it's a commercial strip also. Yun yung yung master plan nitong 18 hectares na LPU township, no? Ayan. So nandito na tayo sa pinaka-rotonda mismo ng LPU. Ayan. So yun, ito yung school, guys, no? Yung university. So tayo dito tayo. Okay. So itong daan nito bago to. Ayun. So ito yung LPU Township. Ito na yung Casamira Towers. Yes, ayan. So dito na side, guys, may itatayo dito na parang park no? Ayan, yan siya. Ayan, ayan. I think they are starting to, ayan, no? Parang i-grade na nila, i-grader na nila, no? They're going to clear that. Ito na ho yung Casamira. Ayan. Ang lapad niya pala nitong ano, guys, no? Itong Casamira na ito. Towers. Ayan. So itong nasa frontal natin, guys, this will be a commercial, no? Ayan. So paglabas mo rin dito, guys, ayan, bubungad na sa iyo yung indoor arena ng KJC Kingdom. Ayan. So ito, I think this will be preparation to, no? This will be a tower crane para dyan siguro to sa itatayo na Indara Residence. So yun yung currently, no, na ginagawa dito. So meron pa tong silang gagawin dito parang another na daan, ayan, dito. Kasi meron yang sa gitna kasi niyan, in between, doon kasi yung part ng ano ng Mindara, guys, Mindara Residence, guys, ayan, no. Ito. Yan, yung may makita kang mga nakalagay na heavy equipment, no? I think that's for the T-crane, no? And then dito na side is will be a big park, no? Ayan. So ito, guys, so that will be the next project, guys, the Mindara Residence. Ito the Casamira Towers, no? And then here na side, dito naman na side, dito yung sinasabi ko na itatayo yung itong gagawing may convention center, no? And then ay hotel, no? Ayan, yan siya, no? So yan yung kaabang-abang pa dito sa LPU Township. Okay, so our next na pupuntahan, guys, will be a new township that to be na itatayo, no, by the Grand Land, no, which is along the CP Garcia Highway pa rin, no, and it is near also to the Davao International Airport. So yun yung next natin pupuntahan ngayon. So ngayon, guys, punta tayo doon. Let's go. So right now, guys, no, we are here along the CP Garcia Highway pa rin, no. At ito ho, guys, no, ang ating pinuntahan dito, itong nakikita ninyong land area dito sa harap natin. Ito po yung next, no, project ng Grand Land, no, a township. This 22 hectares, no. So kung yung southern part ay merong 23 hectares na DGT, dito naman ang Grand Land, na which is yung gumagawa din na Gaisano City Gate, no, Grand City Gate Grand dyan sa may Buhangin, Milan, no. Ito yung next project din nila, guys, no. Actually dalawa tong project nila dito sa in the northern side. na ngayong 2024 nila uumpisahan, no? Itong 22 hectares dito na township, and then yung sa Lanang area naman na Dalanang High Street, no? Ayan. So ito yung abangan. So the perspective of this and the master plan of this project here is will be that one. Ito siya, guys, no? So makikita natin dyan, actually bagong ano lang yan nila, guys, no? Naka-label na dyan kung ano yung mga magiging magkakaroon ng mga residential towers, no? And then there will be an office towers, no? And then meron din silang ano, no? Parang green spaces, no? Ayan, yung sa may gitna na area. And of course, ito ang nakakaano dito, guys, no? Medyo na ano dito tayo, no? Nagulat tayo dito na there will be, no, may nakalagay dyan Landers, no? So right now, guys, the Landers Davao is set to be open, no, anytime soon this year, no, anytime this year, no, yung ginagawa sa Maya Torres. So kung if possible, guys, no, there will be 2 Landers here in Davao City, no, one in the downtown area and one in the northern side here, dito na part banda, no. Maganda rin yung area ng Landers dito kung sakali talaga, guys, kasi makukuha na nila yung lahat ng mga, halos lahat ng mga residente, kasi ang daming residents itong Buhangin area, no. So makukuha na nila yan. So yan yung isa, no, sa kaabang-abang dito. Ayan. So yan yung next project na isa pa na township na abangan natin. Maliban doon sa tatlo na pupuntahan natin ngayon na ginagawa na, no. Yung isa kanina, yung first stop natin is the LPU Township, which is the University Township, and then this one, no, the Grandland along this CP Garcia Highway lang, no. So next stop na natin, guys, we're going in the northern side of Davao pa rin, pero Lanang area na tayo, guys, no. So our next stop will be in the Davao Park District by Mega World naman, no, sa may SM Lanang Premier na site. Okay, so let's go, guys, punta tayo doon. So yan, guys, no, we are here already in Lanang area, no. So dito tayo pumasok sa entrance ng Dakudao Loop, no. And yan, yung nakikita nyo dyan, that is the open car park of the SM Lanang Premier, and that is the SM Lanang also, no. So ngayon, guys, ikot tayo dito, titignan natin yung developments around here, no, especially at the back, guys, no, which is kung saan located itong Davao Park District, no, by Mega World. Ayan. So ito, no. Soon din, no, itong area na ito will be very magiging dense din, kasi all we know right now, guys, no, that this Mega World has been expanded already, no. Nag-add na sila ng additional ng area nila, no. Ayan, umabot na yata sila hanggang dito sa may bandang likod dito, no. Pero itong harap nito is still in a different, no, private owner. Ayan. So ito na ang going to the Davao Park District Mega World. Ayan. Ayan. So here, ito, guys, no, may napansin na tayong tower T-crane dito, no. I think that is already for the 2 lake shores, no, yung ginagawa, no. Naalala ninyo, nakapag-vlog tayo dito a month ago yata yun, no, about yung pag-uumpisa nila dito sa 2 lake shores. Ito na. So ito yung pangyayari ngayon dito, guys, no. Yes, it is. So ito yung Davao Whiskey Park, no. So ang dami kasing binago dito sa ano, guys, no, sa Davao Park District, no, sa Mega World Davao. no. So I think that is one cause of the delays, and I don't know, so I think may mga binago, no. Meron talagang binago, no. Ang laki ng mga binago. As we can remember here in Davao Whiskey Park, no, kung saan siya nakatayo, ang projected dito sana is McDonald's, no. Ayan, so hindi natuloy. So yun, no. So si 4 towers na One Lakeshore, okay, so si parang okay na yung 2 towers nila, no, dito na side, no. 1 tower pa lang okay, no. So the remaining 3 is on the finishing, itong second tower is on the finishing touches, no, parang pinipinturahan na rin, no. And then the third and the fourth, ayun, no. So ito naman si yung kung saan may T-crane, ito na si Two Lakeshores, no. At ganito na magiging itsura niya, guys, no? Yan ang Two Lakeshore, no. So it will this Two Lakeshore will be having a 19-story 4 towers, no. So 19 stories each. Yan, so ikot tayo, no. So dito na side naman, dito naman yung ginagawang tawag nito, what do you call this, the One Republic Plaza. Ito yung ginagawa dito. Ito, guys, no. Dito, yan yung ginagawa Republic Plaza. Ayan. So ito na yung naging expansion nitong Mega World, guys, hanggang doon na sa likod. Dati hanggang dito lang talaga sila. So I think because of that expansion, there's a lot of changes na nangyari sa master plan nila before, no. So ito si One Republic Plaza, anytime soon din, no. We will be seeing a T-crane that will be rising here also, no. Ayan. So ito naman yung sa may and this is the Davao Finance Tower, no. Ayan. So ito tayo, guys, no. Dito tayo, mag-iikot tayo. Ito yung mga pangyayari dito. Ayan naman din, nakikita nyo yung building doon sa may bandang guys, that is the Dalanang Premier Doctors Hospital. So dito sa may Santras, guys, dito sa may Mega World, I think meron ding mga changes na magbabago, no. They say possible itong dati na ginagawa dito na parang kinancel, no, it will be changed. Ito, no, parang to dito, guys, parang strip sana, no. Ayan, so I think this was cancelled. I think siguro gigibain to kasi mayroong hotel naman daw na itatayo naman daw just right beside the One Republic Plaza, no. Ayan, so ito I don't know what could be, kung ano yung magiging plano na dito, guys, no. So yun yung isa sa inaabangan natin, yun talaga yung isa sa inaabangan natin, guys, no, yung latest update nitong Mega World Davao, no, about their master plan, no, the new revised master plan of the Davao Park District, no, na maraming Davaoenyo nag-aantay sa pag-release niya, no, kung ano na yung pinakabago na master plan. So ito na yung area ni One Lakeshore, no. Yung dito na area, guys, wala masyadong binago yata dito, no. Actually meron silang ila-launch na naman dito, guys, the East Park Residence naman, no, parang yon, no? Which is located malapit doon sa may hospital naman, no. Ayan. So yung roadworks yata yang lang dyan ang inuna nila, no, kaya medyo nagtagal, no. Tsaka ito ginawa itong C2 Lakeshore, no. Tsaka yung parang yung man-made na lake dyan guys, no? Meron silang ginawa dyan na parang lake. Ayan. So guys so that is the development here, no? So ito yung SM Lanang Premier, no? Sa may likuran banda, back portion. Ayan. So that is the Lanang Premier Doctors Hospital, no? It's clearly like ano, no? Ang ganda ng loob niya guys, parang hotel yan eh. Ayan. So dito iikot tayo dito sa isa pang development, the first SMDC project here in Davao City, no? This is a 9 towers, no? 9 towers yung itinatayo dito na SMDC. Ito. Ayan siya guys. The Lane Residence. Ayan. So dito sa may harap niya mismo guys, no, it is for the future development, no. It will be, some say, no, it will be BPO buildings, no, office towers, no. Ayan. So, marami pa ang kaganapan na magaganap ito. Actually, kung isisingit ko pa guys, no, kasi yung ating content for today is about the townships only, no. Pero kung we're talking about the developments na, marami din coming soon na here in Lanang area, especially here in Lanang guys, where I'm going to put a clip there, yung mga upcoming guys, no. Yan, no, yung kay Vista, no, yung sa mga Villar, no, and then that one, no, which is located here lang, just right beside here of this SMDC, dito sa may ano, no, tabi ng Toyota, no, malapit lang din dito, which is the Destin Towers, no. It is a 3 towers, no. Yun yung pala yung nasa isip ko kanina guys, yung 3 towers, kala ko yung Mindara, no? Ayan, yan yung kanyang ano, no. And if ever happens that will rise, yan na yung magiging yan na ang magiging tallest dito, no, sa area na ito, sa Lanang area, no. It will stand as 23 story. It will have a 23 story building. So yun, no? So currently guys, ito yung ginagawa, yung itong 9 towers ng SMDC Lane Residence, no. Ayan. So, and then ito na yung mga naitayo na dito, yung sa Lanang Premier Doctors Hospital. And actually, itong Lanang Premier Doctors Hospital, meron din silang project pa dito, second project, na yung parang kanilang business center, no, which is it will be rising soon here, just beside, no, dito na area, no, dyan, dito na area, no. So the next one, yung ginagawa dito, ongoing sa Davao Park District naman by Mega World, yung mga ongoing dito guys is the One Lakeshore, which is yan, yung nakikita nyong 4 towers na yan, no? And then just right beside that, yung ngayon bago lang na itinatayo na 4 towers din, 19 stories naman, the 2 Lakeshore, no? Si One Lakeshore kasi is around 21 story building, no? And then yan, no, yung building na yan, it is the Davao Finance, no? Yan yung kauna-unahang isa sa kauna-unahang ginawa dito sa Davao Park District, no? Yung Davao Finance Tower. Ngayon, may upcoming na rin na office tower na gagawin just right across that corner after that Davao Finance Tower is the One Republic Plaza naman. It will be 15, no? 15 to 16 stories, no, na office tower. Ayan. So, yung abangan pa dito is a hotel, no? So, marami pa, no? So, if we're going to look at the master plan, yung original master plan nila is this one. Yan guys, no? So, ang abangan na lang natin dito sa Davao Park District is their latest update and yung about sa master plan nila, yung panibagong master plan na nila dito sa area na ito. So right now guys, we're going to the last one, no? Yung ating pupuntahan ay walang iba kundi yung Azuela Cove na by Ayalas guys. Okay? So let's go. So ayan guys, no? So nandito na tayo ngayon. This Azuela Cove, no? Ayan. Ayan, no? Azuela Cove. So dito tayo mag-iikot, no? Naman titignan natin, no, yung mga ongoing developments dito. So ito yung first, no? This is they calling ito yung tinatawag nilang the shops, no? Ayan. So where kung saan nakalagay ang halos lahat ng mga coffee shops and other restaurants and cafes, no? And dito rin nakapwesto si G Market, no? Ayan. So ngayon guys, ikot tayo, dito tayo dadaan. Itong gagamitin natin yung pinaka main avenue nitong Azuela Cove. Ayan. So ito na siya ngayon guys, no? Ang Azuela Cove. Actually, yung currently na ginagawa dito, yung bago guys, is the yung Azuela High Street, which is expected to open, no, this year, no, last quarter din. So kung sa south ay mag-o-open si NCCC at si DGT Center, no, in the last quarter of this year, dito naman sa north ay itong Azuela High Street naman. Ayan. So ito na, no, ito na yung pinaka rotonda nitong Azuela Cove, no? And ayan na. Ito guys, no, so nakikita na natin yung mga ito na yung sa high street nila guys. So meron ng mga structures na ginagawa na guys. Ayan. No? Ayan. So yun, no? And then on this right side, ayan, is the BPI. Actually guys, no, maganda yung BPI na itatayo dito guys, no. It's parang isang state of the art din na gagawin ng BPI dito, no. Ayan, yan yung kanilang ang kanilang renderings sa inside of the BPI, no. Yan. Kasi naalala nyo guys, di ba yung nag-vlog tayo dito, sabi ko sa inyo may nakita akong parang something markings or markers. Sabi ko may something na itatayo dito, no? So ito na pala siya, no, si BPI, no? So yun, unti-unti na, no, umaano na dito sa Azuela Cove din, no? Ayan. So ngayon ikot tayo. Just, this is the last stop na lang natin guys, Ayan. So ito yung sa part ng Azuela High Street. Actually may nilabas tong Azuela High Street, no, latest nila guys, no, yung kanila. There are 2 remainings na for sale na lang dito na lot area, no, and it is open for commercial, no. Ayan, for office towers or hospitals or hotel, no. Ayan, kasi yung dito guys, naalala ninyo, di ba dati ay may tatayo dito na St. Luke's, no. Ayan. So hindi na natuloy. Ang nakalagay doon sa kanilang new master plan ngayon ay may itatayo dito yung parang pinaka main office ng Ayala dito sa Mindanao or sa Davao, no. Ayan. So diyan itatayo. Kasi dito na side guys is more on mga office buildings talaga to dito guys, no. Ito. Kasi kung sa kanilang detailed dyan, yung sa kanilang master plan dyan, yan, no, sa perspective nila, it's clearly yung area na yan, kung saan yung may araw, yan sila lahat, halos mga corporate towers yan dyan, na itatayo. And ito yan na area. Dito yan na area. No. Ayan. So si ano kasi, yung mga residential more doon, no, sa may coastal area part and sa may medyo likuran banda ng ano, no, ito. No. So din tayo. Ito yung bagong gawang daan, guys, no. May nakatanim na din kaagad ng mga puno, guys, no. Ayan. Grabe talaga to si ano, ito, no. It will be soon, no, mga corporate towers to dito. No. Ayan. Dito rin. Alam mo to, guys, pagka nagka ano na to, pagka naging especially when this as well high street has been open to the public. Ayan, dito kasi yan nasa may gilid na daan. Grabe yung ano dito, guys, no. Magiging sunod-sunuran yan Ayan. Hindi naman kasi talaga ano yan, guys, no, yung township pagka ano yung ano ganon din kaagad yung gagawin, no. Hindi, syempre face by face and then slowly but ano lang, no, unti-unti nilang tatrabahuin, no. Unahin lang nila muna yung mga needs, no, like for example residential, inaano nila yan tinitimpla din nila. So ano yung mga kailangan ng nagtayo sila ng residential, so syempre dapat na magtayo sila ng something na mga kung ano yung mga basic needs ng mga titira dyan, no. So inuna nila, nilagay nila yung G-Market para may sariling groceryhan sila, and then yung mga restaurants, no, para hindi na sila lumabas at the same time, ayan, no, para maka ano na sila, no. Yun yung parang templado lang ba, no, ano lang ganyan, no. So dito mga residential pa to dito, no, ang itatayo, guys. Dito pala, guys, ang dami pang residential na itatayo dito banda na area, no. No, there will be 1, 2, 3, 4, mga 5 pa, no, 5 pa na projects pwede i-gawin dyan, no? So ito ang nabago dito, guys, no. Itong kay dito na area, ito na yung mga for sale ngayon, no. Itong lot na dito and then yung sa kabilang lot din, no. Ayan. So this will be the ano naman kasi ng ano na ng as well High Street, no. And then just right beside that is the Alveo, no. Ayan. Ito na siguro ang magiging next project ng Alveo after nung sa Abriza, guys, no. Yung tinatayo doon, no, na finishing touches na lang. Ito na yung next nila, and it will be called the as well ano, no, nakalimutan ko. Yan yung kanilang perspective design, no. It will be a 3-tower as well a parcel, no. Ayan. Yan. Yan siya, guys. So dito tayo, no. So bawal pumasok, so hindi tayo, dito lang muna tayo. So yan, ito na yung paikot, no. No, labas mo na rin dito is yung going sa may rotonda, no? So ito yung nabago. So this is the remaining 2 piece na for sale dito, no. Itong corner na ito at saka yung sa kabilang corner. Mas maganda yung sa kabilang corner. I think mas mahal yun, expensive kasi tabi ng ano ng Azuela High Street, no. Ayan. So ito, no, ito yung the residence Azuela. Ito naman kay Ayala, guys, no. Hindi naman to masyado, no, dito kay Ayala. Alam naman natin tong kay Ayala halos yearly meron to silang ilalabas na new project, no. Ganyan yan si Ayala, guys. Continuous yung mga project niya. Ayun. So right now, guys, titingin lang tayo dito at makikita natin ng bahagya yung ginagawa na tulay, no? Ayan. So soon we are going to update also about that SIDC project. So ito yung magiging pwesto naman ni the park shore, no? Ayan. So ito yung car park ngayon, temporary car park lang to ngayon guys, but for sure when the park shore will be may tatayo na, I don't know, ililipat na yan, possible. So ngayon pupuntahan natin yung doon sa may shore banda. Let's go guys. So ito yung sa seaside promenade, no, ng Azuela Cove. So hindi tayo makapasok kasi guys, wala naman kasi pa tayong binili. Pag afternoon kasi dapat meron ka mapakitang something, may binili ka anywhere doon sa mga shops, no, sa the shops or sa G-Market man lang, no. Ayan, so wala naman tayong binili. Ang sadya lang naman natin dito is yung yun, no, nakikita natin yung sa may barko na may dala-dala na mga malalaking bakal, no, for the SIDC project. Ayan. Ayan na siya guys. So wala nang makakapagpigil pa sa SIDC talaga, no? So ito yung Azuela Cove na promenade, no? Ayan. So kung meron lang sana tayong binili sa G-Market, anything, ayan, pwede tayo makapasok. Kaya lang pero sabi ni Kuya Guard, pagka morning naman pwede naman pumasok, free yung sa morning, no? Pwede ka mag jogging, exercise dyan. Maganda dyan sa morning kasi guys, dyan yung sunrise banda, no, yan. So yun, so next time we're going our next vlog siguro we're going to update about the SIDC project. Okay, so that is our last stop, no, para sa ating mga pinuntahan na ongoing developments here in the northern side of Davao City. Actually talaga dito sa northern side of Davao City mas marami talaga yung dito guys, no, compare pa doon sa although marami na rin talaga yung sa southern side, no, yung kasi yung pinuntahan natin sa southern side Matina area lang, no. Ayun. Pero here kasi since much nearer sa business centers, no, and sa mga so medyo mas grabe yung development dito. So yung first stop natin guys, okay, a little bit of preview tayo. Yung first stop natin is the LPU Township, which is the first of its kind here in Visayas and Mindanao, no. It's a university township. And then ang second natin pinuntahan, which is will be rising soon, no, dito sa Davao City, no, another township dyan pa rin sa CP Garcia Highway, which is that, no, yan yung 22 grand land, no, na township, no. And then the third one yung pinuntahan natin is the Davao Park District, no, yan, which is meron na rin mga pailan-ilan na mga nakatayo na at mga still mga ongoing projects na tuloy-tuloy pa rin hanggang ngayon, no. And then the last one, itong pinuntahan natin ngayon na Azuela Cove, no. Ayan. So dito marami-rami na rin ang mga ongoing and upcoming projects here in Azuela, no. Actually if you're going to research of one of my videos about Azuela, yan, nandyan lahat guys, no, sinabi ko na dyan, no. So yun, no. And then hindi lang ho yan, no, actually marami pang ibang mga ibang individual na mga ongoing soon to rise here in especially in the Lanang area, no. Ayan, especially in the JP Laurel side, no, the northern side, no. Meron yung kay Vista, yung kay Vista Towers, no, and then yung sa yung no, yung kay Vista Land pala, no, yan Yan, yung kanilang isa sa project nila soon, no? And then the Destined Towers, no? Diyan din sa may SM Lanang area, no? And then all we know, no, there will be two Marriott hotels that will be rising in Davao, no, coming soon also, no. One is Sheraton and one is by I forgot the ano, no. Yan siya, no. Ayan. So yun, no, marami pa iba, no. So that's it, no, guys. So this is our last stop, no, here in Azuela Cove. So thank you so much, guys, no. And please like and share this video. And sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe sa akin dyan, please do so, subscribe na po. Hit that notification bell and para ma-notify naman kayo every time I will upload a video patungkol sa mga developments here in Metro Davao. Okay, so sa akin paalala sa inyo na mag-iingat lagi sa ating mga pang-araw-araw na mga ginagawa, dahil yung mga mahal natin sa buhay ay naghahantayan hanggang tayo ay makauwi ng matiwasay. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. God bless us all and adios.